Here into this.
Yes, it's Aesop's Fables.
Aesope's fables.
Yes, Aesop was the name of a person. He was
Okay,
a very great storyteller.
okay, Baba, I listen on in the morning.
Okay, so the first story is
I hear enter this book.
no. This is storybook, and okay, you come sit. This is a storybook, and the hare and the tortoise is the first story.
Baba, I have a princess dress. I don't have a princess dress.
You don't have a princess dress
Oh, I think princess dress in the cupboard.
in the cupboard? Okay, yes, Mama managed a princess dress for you. And guess what? Kali's wedding is coming up after some months, and Mama is going to make 3 dresses for you.
And I going
Yes, you can dance.
I just go. Okay, I want to go here.
Hmm. Are you excited
Yeah.
for Kali's marriage?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You will look so beautiful. Mama will stitch new dresses for you, and
And
then Mama will give you makeup, beautiful
Mama,
makeup, and then Mama will make your hair with the dryer
and Mama
and straightener.
and Mama also put on a dress.
Yes.
The,
Mama will put on maxi, I think, and for you, there will be a frock,
the
a
frock.
princess frock.
Yeah, I like a frock.
Okay, and you will look so beautiful.
And you don't like you're not a girl.
No, I'm a boy. I can't put on a frock. I will put on a suit.
Suit.
Yes, a
This
pant
is
coat.
not a suit. This is a boy dress.
Yes, boy's dress. It's called a 3-piece.
And I am a girl, and I can put on my girl dress.
Hmm. Yes, you are a girl, and you are a very beautiful girl, and
No.
you are a very talented girl
And
also.
she didn't put on the princess dress. She will look like a boy.
Mm-hmm.
And Kali, give me my hair pony.
Yes.
And I like a beautiful hair.
Yes.
And mommy put on the Shivya hair, and he look like girl. And he look
Really? Oh my God.
and I'll put
Okay, the hair.
a tortoise.
No, you read with me. The hair
The hair
and
a tortoise.
no. The hair and the tortoise.
The hair and the tortoise.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Uh,
A story
a story
about
about
a not very
not really
nice hair
a nice hair,
and
nice tortoise.
a
The
pretty
pretty
slow tortoise.
a pretty slow tortoise.
Yes.
Wait a minute, let me clean your eye.
What happened? Is my eye dirty?
Yeah.
You want to clean my eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it cleaned?
No. Let me clean. Oh.
Is it clean now?
Okay, look here.
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
Wait, but first, let me clean your eyes again, and you look, and yeah, you clean my dress.
Okay. So here it starts.
And he's going with
Yes, one day the tortoise said to the hare, let's have a race.
let's have a race.
No, let's have a race.
Let's have a race.
Yes, I reckon
I reckon
I would win.
I go win.
I would win.
I would win.
No, you look at me. I would win.
I would win.
Yes.
And I can race also. I'm going win and you're going to be lose.
Yes, you loser. You know, when we two fight, I always lose and you always win.
I go fight and I go race?
Yes. Okay, what about you and me make you and me take a race?
Okay, but we're not in the home.
No, not in the home. We'd go to the park and we'll decide 2 places and we run a race.
Oh, is it a jogger?
Yeah, jogger. You will put on your pink joggers and I will put on my gray joggers and we'll go to the park and there we can.
But you don't have a gray jogger, you have gray jogger.
Yeah, I have gray joggers.
Are you ready?
Yes.
And why not me? You have a gray you have a gray jacket and I have a gray jacket?
Yes.
What?
Yes. We'll put them on and go to the park and then we can run a race. And let's see who wins. What do you think who will win?
Baba.
Yeah.
You have a purple chapel. You don't.
No, I don't have a purple chapel.
I know.
Hey, come on, boys, don't wear purple chapels. Girls, purple is a girl's color.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the chapel is another duckling those stickers.
Yes, girls put on purple chapels and
I
purple
know.
dresses.
I know you don't have stickers in this shop.
No, I don't.
We can bring a new shoes.
Okay, yeah. Oh my God, we forgot to bring your shoes. Yeah, Mama said Michelle needs a new chapel. Your chapel has become smaller and you have grown up. You are bigger now. So your chapel doesn't fit into your feet now.
Okay, when
So we have to buy a new chapel for you.
wait,
What's the other name for a chapel? What's the other name I told you? Do you remember?
the purple chapel.
No. What's the other name of softy? We also call it a softy.
Softy.
Yes. Okay. So we will go to the market and buy a new softy for you, right?
Okay.
What color do you want this time? Earlier it was purple, and now
I want the purple color.
you again want a purple chapel? Okay, fine.
I don't want purple. I already bought purple chapel now. Again.
Okay.
I want the pink chapel.
You want a pink chapel? Pink? Okay, that's great. Uh, I think pink will suit you.
And the pink is make it soft.
Yes, and this your t-shirt, your shirt is also pink, and it's beautiful.
And this one is pink also.
Yes, your doll.
And it's a pillow is pink.
Yes.
And the toy table is pink.
Some of your dolls are pink, many of your colors are pink, many of your books are pink. I think pink is your favorite color, right?
Yeah, my pink is favorite color.
Hmm.
And this is red. And this is also pink.
Yes. Okay. Mama is gonna say something. What? What? What did Mama say?
What do Mama say?
You tell me.
You tell me.
What?
What?
Michelle?
Michelle?
What? Stop it!
What? Stop it.
Michelle!
Michelle.
Cut it out!
Cut it out.
Cut it out!
Cut it out.
Why are you copying me?
Why are you calling me?
Michelle!
Michelle.
Mm, you naughty girl!
You naughty girl.
Michelle, stop! Why you were copying everything I said?
Wait, but I forgot it's ready.
We were going to study and then.
What Mama bought for Michelle?
Wow.
Oh my God! What is that?
This is the cake.
That's a yummy cake.
What? Who gave us the cake?
Teacher.
Whoa!
Wow.